Dallas homeowners face unique challenges when it comes to maintaining indoor comfort. Long, hot summers push air conditioning systems to their limits, while cooler winter months still demand efficient insulation. One of the most effective ways to improve energy efficiency and lower utility costs is by upgrading to energy-efficient casement windows. Known for their tight seals and superior performance, casement windows are a smart investment that helps Dallas homeowners save money and stay comfortable throughout the year. Here's how energy-efficient casement windows deliver year-round savings and comfort. Tight seals that prevent energy loss. Casement windows are hinged on the side and open outward using a crank mechanism. When closed, the sash presses firmly against the frame, creating a compression seal that's far more effective than many sliding window styles. This tight seal reduces air leakage, prevents cooled air from escaping during summer, keeps cold drafts out during winter. In Dallas's climate, minimizing air leaks can lead to noticeable energy savings. Superior insulation with multi-pane glass. Energy-efficient casement windows feature double or triple pane insulated glass that significantly reduces heat transfer. These panes slow the movement of heat between indoors and outdoors, help maintain stable indoor temperatures, reduce reliance on heating and cooling systems. Combined with insulated frames, these windows help keep Dallas homes comfortable even during temperature extremes. Low-E glass reflects solar heat. Low emissivity. Low-E glass is a key component of energy-efficient casement windows. This invisible coating reflects a portion of the sun's heat away from the home while still allowing natural light to enter. Benefits include reduced heat gain during hot Dallas summers, lower cooling costs, protection against UV damage to furnishings. This technology helps homeowners enjoy bright interiors without overheating. Improved ventilation reduces cooling needs. Casement windows open fully outward, allowing maximum airflow. This design captures breezes and directs fresh air into the home. During mild weather, improved ventilation reduces dependence on air conditioning, improves indoor air quality, helps release trapped heat. Using natural airflow strategically can lead to additional energy savings. Energy-efficient frames enhance performance. Modern casement windows are available in high-performance frame materials designed to support energy efficiency. Popular options include vinyl frames with insulating chambers, fiberglass frames that resist heat expansion, composite materials engineered for durability. These frames reduce heat transfer and maintain tight seals over time, even under Dallas's intense sun. Reduced HVAC wear and lower utility bills. When casement windows seal properly and manage heat effectively, HVAC systems don't need to run as often. Homeowners benefit from lower monthly energy bills, reduced strain on heating and cooling equipment, longer HVAC system lifespan. Over time, these savings add up significantly. Improved comfort in every room. Energy-efficient casement windows help eliminate hot spots and drafts near windows, creating a more balanced indoor environment. This results in more consistent temperatures, increased comfort throughout the home, better use of living spaces year-round. Comfort improvements are often noticed immediately after installation. Professional installation maximizes savings. Even the most energy-efficient windows won't perform properly without correct installation. Professional installers ensure accurate measurements and alignment, proper sealing and insulation, smooth operation, and long-term reliability. Installation quality directly affects energy performance. Added home value and long-term benefits. Energy-efficient upgrades are increasingly attractive to buyers. Casement windows enhance both appearance and performance. They offer improved curb appeal, strong resale value, long-term energy savings. The smart window choice for Dallas homes. Energy-efficient casement windows are perfectly suited for Dallas's climate. With tight compression seals, advanced glass technology, durable frames, and superior ventilation, they help homeowners save money and stay comfortable year-round. For Dallas homeowners looking to reduce energy costs while improving comfort and style, upgrading to energy-efficient casement windows is a smart, lasting investment that pays off in every season.